In this video, we will be looking at an Arduino-based smart parking assist system. This project features an ultrasonic sensor, OLED display, NeoPixel ring, buzzer, and a push button. You can find the program files in the GitHub link given in the description below. Install the GitHub repository as a zip folder and add it as a library to your Arduino IDE. Now, open the IDE and click on Files. Go to Examples and scroll down to find Arduino 8 R4 Experiment Kit library. This program integrates several components to achieve its functionality. You will find the mode and distance on the OLED display. The parking mode can be turned on and off by pushing the button. If the distance is greater than 60 cm, the NeoPixels will be off and the buzzer will be silent. If there is any obstacle, like another vehicle or a wall behind your vehicle, the ultrasonic sensor will detect it, and if the distance is between 30 to 60 cm, the NeoPixels will light up green and the buzzer will emit a slow beep. If the distance is between 15 to 30 cm, the NeoPixels will turn yellow and the buzzer will emit fast beeps. If the distance is between 1 to 15 cm, the NeoPixels will turn red and the buzzer will emit a continuous tone. This kind of feedback allows the driver to accurately gauge their distance from obstacles, making parking easier and safer. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.